Hey guys, this is section 8.4. It's the area of a trapezoid. So if you noticed, we've done the area of a parallelogram in 8.2. 8.3 was triangles, and now we're on to trapezoids. So draw this picture. Now this is the most intricate equation because if you notice, a trapezoid has two different bases. It has a short base and then it has a longer base, and then you'll see it has the height in the middle. So here is the equation. You're going to do half the height times both bases added together to give you your area. So 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. So make sure you have this in your notes big and bold. Okay, so find the area of both trapezoids. So let's try this first one, this green one. So I know my area equals 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. Now, you see these little numbers? Those really don't mean anything. It's kind of like telling your place in line. Are you the first one or the second one? So they're not exponents. You don't have to do any math with them. They're just little designated numbers. So I'm going to start with 1/2 times the height, which if you look over here, they told me was 24 inches, times base 1 plus base 2. I'm just going to add those together. So I'm going to do 10 plus 15 and get 25. So before you even pick up a calculator or anything, you should be doing this in your head. You can do 1/2 of 24. Everyone should be able to do that. So that's 12 times 25. Now we can just do that really quickly over on the side. 2 times 5 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 and 2. So I see that it is 300. So my area is 300. Now I need to look for a unit. So I look over there and I see, oh, it is inches. So then I know it's inches squared. So my area is 300 inches squared. All right, so try this next one, and then we'll go over the answer. All right, so I have 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. So 1/2 the height is 16, and then base 1 plus base 2 is 34 because I just added 24 and 10. So 1/2 of 16 is 8 times 34. So I just have to do 34 times 8. Don't need a calculator. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 3 is 27. So my area is 272 centimeters squared. All right, so this is kind of cool. A lot of states are in the shape of trapezoids. So here is Vermont. So try and find the area of Vermont. Okay, so you should have 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. So 1/2 the height is 1/2 of 260. So that's 130 times base 1 plus base 2 is 240. I multiply those together and I get 31,200 miles squared. That one you can use a calculator because it's a little bit more difficult. All right, that is it for your notes.